What's up, Joey? My name is Marshall. I own Florida High and Dry Roofing. I also own Cutting Edge Roofing Solutions. I've been working with CJ, say about 2 months or so. Been pretty happy with the results. Like anything else, when you're building, social media presence and ads, it takes a little bit to lock it in. But CJ and his team definitely do a good job of just kind of rolling with the punches, tweaking things. He's available pretty much 24/7 whenever you need him, and he's very responsive as far as text messaging, making the changes that we request. So just to touch on a few things that I kept track of through this whole process in these 2 months. So like I said, we've been running for 2 months. We have I think it might even be 3 closed deals, and that's really not that bad. So we've gotten a total of 25 estimates, I believe, up to this point. And, I've been very happy with it. Started off a little rough, then the leads started pouring in, and then we wanted to change the direction of, what type of ads, what type of clientele we're looking for. CJ's been very useful with, telling us what he thinks we should do, what he sees from his end on the back end. So, overall, we've been very happy. So, I hope this helps you make your decision, but I would definitely at least try them out, see how it goes. Worst case scenario, it doesn't work out, but I truly believe it will. So best of luck to you.